So today we're going to show you how to sublimate our poly mugs with aluminum inserts. First step is to wrap the mug. Now you do them typically like you would normally do a mug. These mugs expand and contract a lot, so make sure they are taped well. Alright, to sublimate these polymer mugs, we need the aluminum insert tool that helps prevent the mugs from deforming. And you just insert it. There is on the top, you can see ridges. That would be the top that stays outside the mug, and the other side goes inside. If you're doing back-to-back mugs, they will already be kind of hot, so place it in firmly with the ridges on the outside and place it into the press right away. When we remove these from the press, we want to carefully open it wide and carefully weave it out so that it will not touch the press, so it helps you so the transfer doesn't release. Remove the insert right away and then remove the transfer right away to prevent ghosting. If it starts peeling, just start peeling it. And then you can cool it down. And sometimes you'll see a little deformation, so if that's true, then just decrease your pressure a little bit until you get it to be more circular shape. And there you have it, there's your mug.